Hey everyone, today I'm diving deep into the Pentair EC-520703 Automation System, an automation solution designed specifically for managing your pool or spa. I've been using this system for a while and I have some pointed opinions to share, so buckle up if you're looking to make an informed decision. Right off the bat, the Pentair EC-520703 Automation is touted as a robust solution for automating various pool functionalities. From pumps and filters to lighting and heating, this system promises to make your life easier by centralizing control into a streamlined unit. First impressions matter, and the Pentair EC-520703 certainly holds its own. The design is sleek and modern, and it definitely looks the part in any contemporary pool setup. The build quality, however, leaves a bit more to be desired. While the exterior feels durable, the internal components seem a bit flimsy. After a couple of months, the plastic parts, especially the breakers and connectors, show signs of wear and tear. For a unit marketed as a high-end automation system, this is one area where Pentair could step it up a notch. This automation system grants you control over various aspects of your pool's operation. Pumps, filters, lights, and heaters can all be manipulated via the control panel or optional wireless controllers. One feature I genuinely appreciate is the system's ability to program schedules. You can set specific times for your pumps to run, lights to turn on, and heaters to kick in. This is particularly useful for energy savings and convenience. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The system can be temperamental when it comes to synchronizing with other pool equipment. Sometimes it fails to communicate effectively with older pumps or lighting systems, which leads to occasional malfunctions. Given that it's supposed to be an automation marvel, these hiccups are more than a little frustrating. Setting up the Pentair EC-520703 for the first time is an exercise in patience. The initial setup instructions are fairly clear, but the process itself is tedious. Once you've installed the system, adjusting the settings requires navigating through a complicated menu. While the interface is intuitive to a certain extent, it's far from user-friendly for those who aren't tech-savvy. I found the manual adjustments particularly cumbersome. Changing the schedule or modifying system parameters often requires digging through multiple layers of menus. This isn't something you can just hand off to family members or guests without a detailed walkthrough. One of the selling points for the Pentair EC-520703 Automation is its purported compatibility with a wide range of pool equipment. But there's a caveat. If your existing setup includes older non-Pentair equipment, you might face some integration challenges. I had to purchase additional adapters to make everything work seamlessly. This isn't a deal breaker, but it's certainly a headache you should be aware of. The Pentair EC-520703 demands a stable power supply to function optimally. It comes with a 125 amp breaker base, which is sufficient for most residential needs. However, if you live in an area with unstable voltage, investing in a voltage regulator and surge protector is highly recommended. Power fluctuations can mess with the system's internal settings, leading to operational inconsistencies. Now let's talk about how this system performs. When it works seamlessly, it's fantastic. The scheduling tool ensures that everything runs like clockwork, and the one-button operation simplifies what could otherwise be a complex task. Unfortunately, these instances of flawless performance are sporadic. The system occasionally glitches, requiring manual resets. For a device in this price range, you expect a higher level of reliability. So what are the advantages of the Pentair EC-520703 Automation? When it works, it makes pool maintenance ridiculously simple. You can automate almost every function, giving you more time to enjoy your pool rather than maintaining it. The wireless controller is a nice touch as well, particularly for those who love operating things remotely without having to run to the load center every time. In the end, the Pentair EC-520703 is a mixed bag. It offers several high-end features and a stylish design, but it falls short in crucial areas like build quality and compatibility. It's an excellent choice for those who already have a newer Pentair setup or are willing to invest in supplementary adapters for older equipment. However, if you're looking for plug-and-play simplicity, you might find this system a bit finicky. Ultimately, This automation system is ideal for tech-savvy individuals who don't mind rolling up their sleeves for occasional troubleshooting. If that's you, the Pentair EC-520703 could be a valuable addition to your pool management toolkit. Otherwise, you might want to keep searching for a more seamless solution.